In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide all of your posts on Facebook. So first go ahead and open up Facebook, and then once you're here, you want to go ahead and go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now from here, you want to go to the settings icon in the top right, and then once you're on this settings window, you need to scroll down until you see your activity. Then you can see you want to click on activity log. From here, you want to then go and click on the downwards arrow on your activity across Facebook. Then click manage posts. Once you've done that, you'll then see all of your posts. Now you might need to click on a category and just filter for only your posts. So once it loads here, you want to go to filters, categories, then you want to click your posts, check-ins, photos and videos. Then you can go ahead and click on any post and delete it. Or if you want to delete all posts, click on all, and that will delete all posts, photos and check-ins. So click all, then click recycle bin, and that's all you've got to do. So I hope that quick video did help you out.